Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a very beautiful hat for 3 to 5 year baby girl. I am using a 5mm crochet hook size. This is a steel crochet hook and 3-ply cotton yarn in purple color. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Now make a slip stitch into the first chain. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this chain 4 and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into this chain circle and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 and then through other 2, and in this way we will make double crochet stitches in this chain circle. We would make total of 12 double crochet stitches, including first 3 chains. So I have made 12 double crochet stitches, including first 3 chains. Now make a slip stitch into the chain 3. Our first round is completed. Now we would start the second round. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet in every round. Now in the same chain 3 where we have made slip stitch, we would make a double crochet stitch. Then into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Then go into the next double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Then into the next stitch, make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. In this way make 2 double crochet stitches in each of these stitches. In the end, make a slip stitch into the chain 3 and our second round is also completed. Now we would start the third round with chain 3. This is our simple stitch, and next double crochet stitch would be our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the very next double crochet stitch. Then next one would be our simple stitch. Make 1 double crochet in it, and the next one would be again our increasing stitch. So in this next stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Then into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Into the next one, make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So this is our pattern for the third round. We would make 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet till the end. So third round is also completed. For the fourth one, make 3 chains and the next stitch would be simple again. Make 1 double crochet in it. After these 2 stitches, third one is our increasing stitch. Now, so make 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So in this fourth round, we would make 2 simple double crochet stitches make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, make second double crochet into the next stitch, and after these 2 stitches, next one is our increasing stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. So this is our pattern. Make an increasing stitch in every third stitch and complete this round. Then into the fifth round, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet. This is our first double crochet. Into the next stitch, make second double crochet. Into the third one, make third double crochet. And now these are 3 simple stitches. After these 3 stitches, fourth stitch is our increasing stitch in this fifth round. Make 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Now make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next one, then 1 double crochet into the third one, and after these 3 simple stitches, fourth one is again our increasing stitch. Make 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet into this same stitch. So make an increasing stitch in every fourth stitch and complete this round. So I have completed this round. For the next one, make 3 chains and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the third one, 1 double crochet into the fourth one, and including 3 chains we have 4 simple stitches here. And in this round, fifth one is our increasing stitch. So make 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet into this same stitch. This is our increasing stitch. So in this way, make 2 double crochet in every fifth stitch and complete this sixth round as well. I have completed this sixth round. For the next one, make 3 chains and then make second double crochet into the second stitch, third double crochet into the third one, and then fourth double crochet into the next one, then fifth double crochet into the next one, and after these 5 stitches, sixth one is our increasing stitch. So in this sixth stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch because this is our increasing stitch. So complete this round making increasing stitch in every sixth stitch. So I have completed the base of hat. It should be 6 inches for 3 to 5 year girl. Now we would start making simple rounds without any increase. So make 3 chains and make 1 double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3. Then into the next double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet. Then into the next one, make 1 double crochet. Then into the next one, make 1 double crochet. And then into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In this way, we would make 1 double crochet in each of these stitches of previous round without making any increasing stitch. And after completing this round, all of the rounds for the hat would be same without any increasing stitch till the width of hat is completed. Now I have made rounds of purple color and these are completed. Now we would start rounds with white color. So join this white color yarn and make a single crochet stitch into the double crochet stitch make single crochet stitches in each of these double crochet stitches. Of previous round. In this way we would complete these single crochet stitches. So these single crochet stitches are completed. Now in the end, make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch. Then make 3 chains. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into the front side, to the back side, then to the front side again of this single crochet stitch and draw a loop and make a double crochet stitch. This is called our front post double crochet stitch. Now into the next stitch, go from back to the front of stitch and then to the back again and make a back post double crochet stitch. Stitch is simple as double crochet but is made from front and back side of these single crochet stitches. So we would make one front post double crochet stitch in one single crochet stitch, and into the second one we would make back post single crochet stitch. So complete these front post and back post double crochet stitches in each of these single crochet stitches respectively. So these stitches are completed. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain, and now we would make second round. For the second round, make 3 chains, and in the very first front post double crochet stitch, make a front post double crochet, then into the next back post double crochet stitch, make a back post double crochet, then into the next front post double crochet stitch, make a front post double crochet, then into the back post double crochet stitch, make a back post double crochet, into the front post, make a front post double crochet stitch again, then into the back post stitch, make a back post double crochet. So this is our pattern for the border of this hat, and we would complete it till the end, making a front post double crochet in each front post and back post in each front back post stitch, and we would make one more round with the same pattern. So I have completed second and third round of these stitches. Now make chain 1 and then make a single crochet in the front post double crochet stitch, make a single crochet in the back post double crochet stitch, a single crochet in the front post, then a single crochet into the back post, single crochet into the front post, then into the back post. So complete this single crochet round. So I have completed single crochet round, and I have attached a pom-pom at the top of this hat as well, and our very beautiful hat is ready. This can be used for baby boys and baby girls also. I hope you guys like this tutorial video of baby hat. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.